Hi, I'm going to attempt to do the chromatography at home experiment. I have all of my supplies right here. I have scissors for cutting the coffee filters, a mortar and pestle. I've got 70% isopropyl alcohol, glasses, and I have two kinds of leaves. Now I'm at the beach, so I didn't have many options. I got some of the palmetto tree leaves, and I also have some sand live oak leaves right here. So I'm gonna get started. So I'm doing the sand live oak tree leaves first. This is what it looks like right here. It's like mulch almost. And now we're gonna add our isopropyl alcohol. You can see how it's kind of already a little green. It's going to get even darker the longer we let it sit. Now we're going to do the next one. We're going to do that fern right here. Now we add our isopropyl alcohol. And we do the same thing. Here we go. Pour in the fern now. This one you can already see is a little bit lighter than the other one. Alright, and now we let these two sit for 30 minutes. We're gonna make our coffee filter strips now. Take one coffee filter, just cut it into long strips, just straight across. And we're gonna make ours about 1 to 1.5 inches thick. There you go. Okay, so now it's been 30 minutes. I put them in a warm water bath to speed up the process. You can kind of see that the colors have separated here. It's a little stronger in this one over here. Now we're gonna strain these and put them over here. I labeled fern and tree. Now that we've got them strained, you can already see that the fern is a little bit lighter than the tree. So now we're gonna add our coffee strips. You're gonna wanna bend it in half like this and then lean it up against the side. You want it to be up really straight, so make sure that it's not too much. Mine's a little long right there. And now we're gonna do the same thing over here. Okay. Got a little extra over here, but at least it's straight up and down. And now we're gonna wait for 1 hour. It's been roughly an hour. And right here, you can see the separation. The green right there, that's the chlorophyll. And very faintly, you can see the yellow carotenoids. This is for the fern. And then right over here, this is a tree. It's a little bit easier to see right here. But yeah, that is the chlorophyll, the green right there. And that faint yellow, those are the yellow carotenoids. And there you go. That's all there is to it.